Kia ora tātou, nau mai hara mai kei te hui ngā ki tēnei tau a te paumatakana. Come along to our conference this year. It's entitled Affirming Whānau Aspirations.
We're now ready for another way forward, and that is about trusting our families, giving them the self-belief they can do for themselves. That's what our biggest job is.
There's no one answer to everything. That's the beauty of conferences. It actually brings together people who actually want to make a difference. They've got it in their hearts. They believe in what they're doing.
Learning about how do we measure social impact, what does it really mean for us, and how do we fit that into our whānau story. I think that's incredible.
It's all about the whānau, international speakers, and a good look into the heart and the soul of how our people are rocking and rolling it right now. Come along.